I'm told nothing is going to happen, and that's because of the Heritage Act. It protects objects that are dedicated to or named after historic figures, just like Wade Hampton Boulevard, where so many travel down every day.
The monuments, no, we're not allowing our history to be erased.
State Senator Larry Martin says many rebel flag supporters are worried, but he reassures voters that lawmakers don't plan to go around voting to remove more Confederate symbols.
There is absolutely no discussion underway to do anything with monuments, street names, building names.
The Heritage Act protects all of those objects and titles honoring historic figures. It would take more than half of state lawmakers for memorials to be relocated or renamed. This includes more than just Confederate monuments.
It could be World War II monuments. It could be Spanish-American War monuments.
Also the Civil Rights era and many other important times in the past. Martin believes a closer look at history could have prevented the controversy centered around the Confederate flag for the past decades.
People on their property do whatever they want to, but when it comes to government, that's a powerful thing, and we've come to understand that. It's a powerful thing when we endorse a symbol that our ancestors told us to put away.
Martin says lessons from the past could be used as a guide toward the future. The Heritage Act was put in place in the year 2000 when the Confederate flag was moved from the top of the State House dome to the front of the State House grounds. Corey Davis, WIFF News 4 Live in Greenville County.